So in today's video, we will be unboxing and building this roof rack. Today's video is about a company that I have used in the past with that roof rack up there. Speaking of the roof rack and the bed rack, I also have another rack in this box, which I'm proud to say we have our first sponsorship of the channel, which is hookroad.com. Hold up. Before we get into today's video any further, I want to take a minute to talk to you guys about this Black Friday Cyber Monday deal from hookroad.com. So you can use the link below, put in the code, get entered for giveaway, and also get your 10% off. They are doing a giveaway until November 23rd, and then they will announce the winners on November 25th. But don't just think that they only have Jeep stuff. They have everything from Toyota to Ford to Ram, other trucks in here, as well as there's your Black Friday Cyber Monday deals. So don't be scared. Click my link below, go get entered to win, and go get you some good product at a good price for your epic build. We're in the middle of making this the tow rig, and the Toyota 4Runner right there will end up being the new Overlander. So we want to build out the 4Runner, and so they have generously sent us a roof rack for the 4Runner, which we opted to go with the 3/4 roof rack, so it'll kind of just go where those current bars are there on the top now, because she has the sunroof. This is Jess's, one of her trucks. She also has a Ram like mine, but we didn't want to cover the sunroof, and so we opted for the 3/4 rack. So in today's video, we will be unboxing and building this roof rack, and then the next video we'll be installing it. Anyways, let's jump into it. Let's get this thing opened and get it put together and see what she looks like. I've already cut the little strap so that you don't get demonetized for using a pocket knife. So on first impressions, it's packed very well. You do have your little packet here that tells you everything you're supposed to have, and then tells you what you got. And so there's two different versions for the Toyota 4Runner. There's a full-length one, which I believe that's the picture for the full-length one, and then there's the 3/4 length one, which I'm just talking about from the back of the front windshield, or the top of the front windshield, to your hatchback. So you can either get one that goes the whole distance, or for like the 4Runner Jess has, there's one that starts right at the back of the sunroof and then just does that back 3/4, and that's the one we opted for because she has the sunroof.